What's going on, guys? So in my previous video I did a short quick video on SNMP enumeration, but one of the things that you'll realize is that as you go through this box on the Hack the Box network for Mischief is that there's more to it than IPv4, and one of the things you need to do and understand in enumerating the box is IPv6. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can enumerate port 161 over UDP, which is again SNMP, for IPv6. So again, SNMP walk, you use it for IPv4, but you can also enumerate 161 over UDP, but using IPv6. And so one tool that we can use is ENYX or ENYX, and it's an SNMP IPv6 enumeration tool. Just as much as we have SNMP walk for just as much as we used IPv4 for SNMP walk, we'll use ENYX for IPv6 entries. So let's go ahead and quickly install this. It's a Python script, so it's very agile. Let's see, very simple. So So let's go ahead and, oops. Okay, so I believe it's ENYX, and then as per the details, let's see. Well, I already know this. So the first set of parameter is your version. So in this case, we know it's version 1. SNMP agent is using version 1, and the community string is the next parameter, which is public, and then the IP address. So, and there you have it. It's really simple. Let's bring this up, and here the IPv6 IP of interest is here. And so so this is how you would quickly enumerate via IPv6. And again, if you see port 161 over UDP, don't just assume that IPv4 is enough. You need IPv6 as well. So use either SNMP walk and ENYX, or either or. All right.